Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see the difference between smoke testing and sanity testing. Smoke testing and sanity testing both are part of functional testing, which we have seen our previous video. So here, smoke testing, which is a functional testing, where we do the basic testing for the functionality of our application, while sanity testing is a subset of regression testing. So here regression is also one of the type of functional testing. So sanity testing comes under as a subset for the regression testing. The second difference is smoke testing is cursory testing, means we only check the main functionality of the application or system, while sanity testing is in-depth testing. We check the functionality in depth in sanity testing. Third difference is major functionalities of the software is tested without bothering the final details, as I said previously. This is comes under smoke testing, but for sanity testing, one or few part of the system is tested in deep. The fourth one is smoke testing is wide and shallow approach, while sanity testing is narrow and deep approach. Why wide and shallow? Because we are only testing the major functionality of the system, while in sanity we check one or few parts in the depth, so we call it as narrow and deep approach. Next is test cases are scripted for smoke testing, while for sanity testing they are not scripted. Also, we can automate the test cases for smoke testing. We cannot automate sanity testing test cases. Next is smoke testing is performed when a new product is built, while sanity testing is conducted after the completion of regression testing. Smoke testing is documented, while sanity testing is not documented. The next is smoke testing is performed by either developer or tester, while sanity testing is performed by testers only. The last one is smoke testing may be stable or unstable, while sanity testing is stable. These are the main basic difference between smoke testing and sanity testing. That's it from for this video. Thank you so much for watching.